Want to know some unique and budget-friendly travel hacks? Welcome aboard. Today we're embarking on a journey to uncover some hidden gems of traveling on a budget. We'll reveal ways that'll not only save your pocket, but also enhance your travel experience manifold. Stick around to discover 17 budget travel ideas that might not be widely known. First up, consider working for your accommodation. Many hostels or guest houses offer free boarding in exchange for a few hours of work per day. This could include tasks like reception duties, cleaning, homestays on where you work on organic farms, or even leading tours. 2. Next up, overnight transportation. Opting for overnight buses or trains when traveling between cities is a double win. You save on a night's accommodation costs and maximize your daytime for sightseeing. 3. Now here's a tech tip for you. Always search for flights and hotels in incognito or private browsing mode. This little-known trick can save you from price hikes based on your search history and cookies. 4. Ever thought about house sitting or pet sitting? Websites like Trusted House Sitters can connect you with people who need someone to take care of their homes or pets, giving you a free place to stay. Need something more budget? Check out couch surfing websites. 5. Choose accommodation with a kitchen. Cooking your own meals can save you a bundle, especially in more expensive countries, and you can eat well on a budget. 6. Instead of relying on international data plans, consider purchasing a local SIM card for cheaper internet access. Some countries even offer tourist SIMs with attractive data plans. 7. Many cities offer free events and walking tours. These are a fantastic way to see the city, learn about its history and culture from a local perspective. Just remember, it's always nice to tip your guide. 8. When exchanging currency, look for opportunities to swap with other travelers at no cost. It's a handy way to get the local currency you need without hefty exchange fees. Ready for more unique and budget-friendly travel hacks? Let's dive right back in. 9. Next, consider traveling in the off-season. This strategy can significantly reduce your flight and accommodation costs, plus you'll have fewer tourists to contend with. 10. Next up, you might want to look into exploring smaller towns. Go off the beaten path or do a road trip. Use travel guides and websites like Lonely Planet or Rough Guides to find suggestions for off-the-beaten-path destinations and away from expensive cities. 11. You could also explore educational and cultural exchange programs. These often offer free stay or food in exchange for teaching a language or participating in cultural activities. 12. Use discount sites like Groupon for vouchers, available in both the USA and many European countries. 13. Before you travel, join local Facebook groups for your destination. These can be a goldmine for tips on affordable places to eat, stay, and visit. 14. Always pack a refillable water bottle. In countries where tap water is safe to drink, this can save you a lot of money. 15. Consider bike rentals. In some cities, renting a bike for a day or week is much cheaper than using public transport or taxis. Options like Lime, Bird, and Jump offer scooter rentals in places. 16. Research discounts through youth hostels. Check for discounts and deals on accommodations through various youth hostel networks, such as Hosteling International, which operates in both the USA and Europe. 17. Finally, don't overlook travel insurance with medical coverage. It might seem like an added expense, but it can save you a lot of money in case of unforeseen medical emergencies. That's all for today's unique and budget-friendly travel hacks. We've explored everything from working for accommodation, using Incognito Mode for bookings, to joining local Facebook groups for insider tips. Remember, flexibility is your best friend when it comes to affordable travel. Next time you plan a trip, try incorporating some of these hacks. You might be surprised at how much you can save while still having a memorable experience. Which travel tip was your favorite? Comment below, like, share, and subscribe to my fave places for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels!